So we're in the busy hub today, we're in Brisbane and we're just having a look around. Camera's been being repaired for a while, so I just thought I'd come back into the city and see what's going on. So Brisbane is a huge mixture of old architecture, new architecture, the colonial and the modern, and that's what I love about it. This Southbank Precinct is absolutely wonderful. It's full of theatres and gardens, so you've got the natural mix. Here we've got the Southbank Peace Pagoda, gifted by the Nepalese people at the time of Expo 88. Absolutely beautiful, surrounded by lovely gardens and really nice building. I think it's got like a copper roof as well. Don't know whether that's traditional for Nepalese buildings, but with all the bamboo scenery and the carvings, etc, etc, it makes for a lovely peaceful atmosphere. And of course, as with a lot of Asian temples, you get a bit of a bell ringing. Oh, the clacker's gone. So the ferry terminals in Brisbane are pretty straightforward. At the moment there's a special subsidy from the government, so the ferries are only 50 cents, as are the trains and the buses for a one-way journey. So we're going to go and catch a city cat. We're going to go up the river towards St Lucia, where the big university is, and then we're going to go back up the river towards the ocean, towards the North Shore. So see you on the ferry. Get me go-kart out. At the moment we're on the map and we are at Southbank, just there. I'm going to head that way first and then back up there. Beautiful. That's the new bridge that goes over to the casino. They've got a big thing on at the moment about building bridges, green bridges, business bridges. I don't know what they're doing with them, but I'm sure it's benefiting someone. Probably the bridge builders and the people who own the boats. But yep, it's all looking good. That area over there beyond the cinema is West End residential area, very trendy. And that whole area there under the bridge is Southbank. We're now going across to North Quay. View down the river towards the casino. You've got the state library up there, and under the Friendship Bridge, which is absolute mishmash of wires and poles. And the Goma Gallery of Modern Art. It's a place where all the homeless are living at the moment. They've probably got some of the best views in Brisbane. Absolutely unbelievable. There's a whole community of people there who believe it's their right to live free, and fair play to them. We're just coming down to the more industrial part of the city where they used to have the old bottling factories, the beer factory, all that type of stuff. Valentine's Day, by the way. That's upriver towards Toowong and St Lucia. We've had a lot of rain the past few weeks. There's still a lot of debris in the water, big logs and stuff. Beautiful apartments. They're always building here. In school. So we just left Guyatt Park and the West End, etc, etc, and we're heading up to the final leg of the journey. River, QUT, where the big university is. Some of the houses here are fantastic. Some of them look really, really old Queenslander style, and some of them are like fandangled and new and steel and metal, etc, etc. But look at the whole place, it's just fantastic. The river's really wide here as well. And so this ferry service is just awesome. I advise you, if you come to Brisbane, jump on it, have a good look round, it's fantastic. In the far distance there, on the hill, on the mountain, is Mount Cooper. That's where all the TV and radio connectivity towers are for the Brisbane area. So if your TV ever plays up, that's what it is. The final big bridge right in the up river there is the Eleanor Shuttle Bridge. So that's the University of Queensland Bridge, University of Queensland over the back there, which is a massive complex. Now look, I'm doing a lot of chatting on today, but basically this is about getting used to the camera and preparing for my upcoming cruise, which is the first journey on my leg of travels. My one-way journey, which will probably last about 1,000 days. So, yep, next week is the cruise. I'm not going to tell you where it is in case you're looking, and I might, you know, pique some interest. So yeah. Anyway, for now, this is where we are, and this is QUT's solution. So basically, I suppose, like, when you set about doing something like this, like, you think, like, oh, how am I going to do it right? Will it look as good as anyone else's? But you know, we've all got a bit of perfectionist streak in us. I think if you do too much perfectionism, then you ain't going to be too natural, are you? So I'm just going to try and stitch it all together, and we'll see how we go. No worries. Heading back upriver now. That's a railway bridge. I think that's the only specific railway bridge in Brisbane. All the rest are either pedestrian or vehicles. So, yeah. Buildings being built. It's one of the oldest bridges. Over the back there you've got Milton Stadium where they play rugby. You've got the Broncos. You've got where they play international soccer, that type of stuff. Place to live, but the journeys I've got planned are even more exciting. So wow, it's going to be it is a wonderful time, really a wonderful time. I had some hip replacements 7 months ago, so some of this journey which is ahead has been working towards it for over 2 years. Been the support of my family, particularly my son Max has helped me along the way. I love him very much, so, and everyone else. Wonderful thing. Anyway, we're going to be going upriver a bit, so got a bit more to see. We're just coming back now to Southbank and North Quay. Yay! Go to Sea Cats. CBD and heading towards the more interesting Maritime Museum. HMS today and containers in there. bridge there where they do a lot of climbing and stuff. And in the distance down there is Story Bridge. Oh, what a dream to live on a houseboat on the Brisbane River. That particular boat there has been there for ever since I lived in Brisbane. At least 4 years, and when I used to visit from the Sunshine Coast, the boat's been there a long, long time. Never seen her sail up. I've never seen anyone on it, but obviously someone's having a great life. Looks like they've got their washing hanging out. This is the newest bridge, Kangaroo Point Green Bridge. It's a beauty. Oh yeah, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe. If you don't like, subscribe anyway, because then, you know, you're doing a good thing and it can be a good deed for the day. You subscribe to the old bloke's video, you know, help him out. He looks like a good bloke, all that old arc. Street Wharves, huge brewing complex and party area, very, very nice. This is all lit up of a night, beautiful. The bridge looks fantastic of a night. Lit up right, I think the whole journey up and down the river takes about 3 hours, or perhaps it's like an hour and a half up river, an hour and a half down river. But it's very relaxing though. And yeah, jump off when you want. Plenty of restaurants along the way, parks, different areas of Brisbane, different things to do. Just past the New Farm Park where there used to be the Brisbane Car House. It's now like a music venue or entertainment venue, theatre precinct, that type of thing. It's an excellent market. The river opens up a bit down here. This is where it used to be really kind of industrial. There's the old wall sheds, factories, old buildings from way back. Obviously a really popular place to live as well. So there's some pretty cool looking factory conversions, as you can see. more stops now, or 3 more stops, and that's the end of the ferry route in Brisbane. Wow, so I jumped off the ferry at Brett's Wharf, which is down the river. I'm going to get a bus, bit of public transport, and go back into the city and get something to eat, something to drink. Just thought I'd show you around some of the stuff we get for free in Australia. We get barbecues, shopping trolleys obviously are free, benches are free, and there's like this sort of really kind of family friendly infrastructure everywhere really. I mean, it's a pretty nice place to live for sure. You can see in the background there a nice stretch of river. Anyway, let's go back and wait for the bus. If there's anything you want to know about Brisbane, anything I can help you out with, as you watch these videos, just leave a comment, ask a question, give me some knowledge. It's all good. Nothing is closed off on this channel. It's like, you know what I mean, you can have a chat. That'll be the good thing. I'm looking forward to speaking to some people, etc., seeing what's going on, getting some views on what people think about Brisbane. But if I don't, I don't. I'll have to wait for another time. Maybe I'll meet some Australians when I'm travelling and we'll talk about Brisbane then, you know what I mean? A bit of reminiscing. Anyway. Well, Romers, I got off the ferry and it poured with rain. So I'm currently walking through Brisbane Queen Street shopping mall. It's a pretty cool shopping mall. Got all your necessary big shops. I've just got I don't know, all those French fancy fashion brands and all that kind of stuff. So it is a premier destination shopping area, but not what we need today. It's not the best thing, but I'm going to end the vlog here today and go home and mess around with all the videos and perfect me editing, so then next week when the next adventure begins, then we're up and running. I'll know what I'm doing, won't I? So anyway, if you've watched this far, thank you very much. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Loggins Rome's out. See ya.